In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your tax information in the Dasher app and access your 1099 through Stripe Express. Keeping your tax details accurate is essential for getting paid correctly and receiving your year-end tax forms without delays. We'll walk through updating your information in the Dasher app or web portal, then show you how your 1099 is handled through Stripe Express, the platform that processes payouts and tax forms for many Dashers. Start by opening the Dasher app on your phone or sign into your Dasher account on the web if you prefer a computer. Make sure you're using a secure connection and the email associated with your Dasher profile. If you run into any login prompts or verification requests, just follow the on-screen instructions to proceed safely. Once you're in, head to your account or profile settings. Depending on your version of the app, this might be under a gear icon, your profile photo, or a menu labeled account. The exact layout can vary, but you're looking for the section where your personal and payment information is managed. From there, locate your tax details. If you're an individual, you'll provide your social security number. If you operate as a business, you can enter your employer identification number. Double check that your name and number match official records to avoid processing issues. Typos or mismatched names are common causes of delays, so take a moment to review everything carefully. When you're confident it's correct, save your changes and wait for a confirmation message in the app. If you're prompted for any additional verification, complete those steps right away to keep your account in good standing. Now, for your 1099 information, such as your legal name, mailing address, and tax ID, this is managed through Stripe Express. You'll receive an email from Stripe Express with a secure link that lets you review and update your details, and later download your tax forms once they're available. Open that link, confirm your profile information is accurate, and make sure your mailing address is up to date in case a physical copy is ever needed. When your 1099 is ready, you can download it directly from Stripe Express for your records or to share with your tax preparer. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and search for Stripe Express. That's it. By updating your tax details in the Dasher app and managing your 1099 through the secure Stripe Express link sent to your email, you'll ensure your information is correct and your forms are easy to access when tax season arrives.